Kia just turned their cute little electric crossover into something that wants to rip your face off. This is the 2026 EV3 GT, not the GT line, not the Sport package. The full, unhinged performance GT. And it changes everything about what a compact electric SUV can be. Look at it. Those massive air intakes aren't decorative. That aggressive front bumper isn't for show. This thing looks like it's been to the gym while the regular EV3 was eating salads. The stance is wider, the wheels are bigger, 20-inch alloys wrapped in performance rubber. And that rear spoiler actually does something at speed. Kia designed this to look fast standing still. Mission accomplished. Now pop the frunk and let's talk about what really matters. Dual motors, all-wheel drive, around 320 horsepower combined. That's more than 50% more power than the standard EV3. 0 to 60 comes in around 5.3 seconds. For context, that's quicker than a Golf GTI. Step inside and Kia didn't forget this is supposed to be special. Those front seats are genuine sport buckets with aggressive bolstering. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels thick and purposeful in your hands. Aluminum pedals, GT badging everywhere, red stitching traces across the dashboard like a racing pulse. The 12.3-inch curved display runs Kia's latest software, but in GT mode, the graphics change. You get a dedicated performance screen showing power distribution, G-forces, and battery temperature. It's like having a race engineer in your passenger seat. The back seats remain surprisingly usable. 3 adults can actually fit. The cargo space hasn't been sacrificed for speed. This is still practical enough for the school run before you destroy some back roads on the way home. And that's the trick Kia pulled off here. They built a hot hatch for the electric age. Something genuinely quick. Something genuinely fun. Something you can still use every single day. The GT suspension doesn't beat you up on rough pavement. The seats don't destroy your spine on long drives. It's aggressive, but livable, in an electric crossover. The 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery feeds both motors, while still delivering around 310 miles of range. So yes, you can have fun and actually get somewhere. The suspension has been completely reworked. Adaptive dampers respond in milliseconds. The ride height drops slightly compared to the standard car. And there's a new drive mode that sharpens everything. Throttle response, steering weight, regenerative braking aggression. One button turns this family hauler into a weapon. Now here's the question everyone's asking. Starting price lands around 47,000 euros. That's a significant jump from the standard EV3, but consider what you're getting. 320 horsepower. Dual motors, all-wheel drive, performance suspension, over 300 miles of range. Try finding that combination anywhere else at this price. You can't. Kia basically built the electric GTI that Volkswagen refuses to make, and they did it in their smallest electric crossover. The 2026 EV3 GT proves compact doesn't mean boring, electric doesn't mean soulless, and practical doesn't mean slow. If Kia keeps making cars like this, the Germans should be terrified. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.